Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to extend your trial for a small fee. Click on select a plan. Now choose a plan. I recommend the basic plan if you are an individual. Now enter your billing address and card details. Now click on subscribe. Your subscription is now successful. Next, I am going to show you how to change your store theme. Click on online store. Now you will see the option themes. You can see some popular free themes here. I'm going to use the default theme. You can select any themes you like for your store. Here is the default theme on my store. You can see there is no product added to my store. So let's see how to add a product manually. Click on the product section. Add product. Now here are all the fields for title, description, media, category, and price. You can see my store's default currencies in rupees. Let's see how to change this. Open the settings. In the general section, click on change store currency. Now you can see all the currencies. Select the currency you want for your store. I am going to select USD since my main target country is the USA. Now you can see that your store's currency has been changed. Now you can add products in the currency you selected. Next, let's see how to add products in one click through our dropshipping suppliers using the Shopify App Store. I think CJ Dropshipping is a good option if you want to start for free. Install CJ Dropshipping. Sign up. Let's add a test product. I will select this. These are the product images. This is the estimated time for your product to be in transit and get tracking ID. This is the delivery time. This is the shipping fee. Now click on list to add this product to your Shopify store. fill in the required fields. You can edit the title if you want. This is the original product price. This is the shipping fee. And this is the total amount you have to pay to place an order for your customer when you receive one. Now you can enter the selling price of your choice. Remember to add payment gateway transaction charges so you don't get surprised by a profit from the order. Here you can select the shipping method, but keep in mind that different methods may charge more and may delay delivery. Here you can edit description. After all the customizations, click on list now. Listing completed. Let's check our store. As you can see, it's available in our store. You can edit anything you want from the product section. Now let's see how to edit our store shipping countries and shipping charges. Open settings. Then shipping and delivery. Click on general shipping rates. Delete the zones you don't want to ship to. Now create a zone and add the countries you want to ship to. Add a rate if you want to charge shipping fees to your customers. Save. And you can see your country is active. Click on go to markets. Edit the market and add the country to your marketplace. Save. Then open this and activate. Now your customers can see the checkout page and fill in their address. In the next video, I will tell you how to configure payment methods and add a custom domain to your Shopify store.